built up all this tension.
That tension.
I got a giggle over there.
That's what we're going with. It's what keeps your reader hooked, and you get it through word choice, the choices of words that you use.
Conflict. Yes, physical conflict that is, fighting. It's contact. Anything else? Anything more specific? I think Miss Judy actually gave it away earlier, but
Ooh.
I did.
Stupid middle school drama. Let's say
Your
that
girlfriend.
make me gay. But never mind. So let's say me and Caden liked Alden. And then
Alden's a girl in this situation.
I thought he was a
Are
guy.
these real people?
Yeah, Caden and me are both guys, and Alden's also a guy. And so, let's say I took Alden.
Okay.
Caden wouldn't be my friend anymore.
Okay. That's very good, but again, isn't that just conflict between two characters? What if you've already got the conflict? They're already fighting. How are you going to make that tension, make the reader feel like, oh, I'm in that awkward
Take Alden
room?
away from it.
Use big words.
Big words?
No.
Does it have to be big?
No.
Does it have to be small?
Doesn't matter, but details.
Details? Okay, your details. I'm trying to pull out 2 words from you guys.
Imagery.
Imagery, good, good.
Oh.
Are we still talking about how to build up tension?
Yeah.
How to build tension.
Well, sadness, like someone dies.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like something bad's happening and someone dies, it just makes it even worse. So,
Were you gonna say something?
No. I feel sad too.
Sad.
Yeah. I know that's not.
It's okay, you can say the same thing if you feel the same way.
Say, I guess, kind of cut off a little bit.
Mm-hmm. And he did that with 6 words. He broke your heart with 6 words.
It's 6 words now.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Seven.
5, 6.
No, hold on, it's not words.
So how do you think, if you were Ernest Hemingway and you had this idea that that's what you wanted to make the reader feel, how do you think he got from that emotion that he wanted to give to his reader to these simple 6 words? Yeah? Yeah?
I'm sorry, but, because it's like, I'm sorry. Like, yeah.
No, I agree. I think I would underline those too, because usually when someone says, I'm sorry, but it's about to follow is not something that you're going to want to hear, right? Matthew.
Hero. Hero.
Hero. Why would you underline hero?
Oh, well, most of the time, if we're talking about a hero in this country, it means someone died for something they believe in.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yes, ma'am.
I'll tell them you were a hero.
Yeah. Okay, that they're very different. That's good. I'm quieter than her. That kind of hints at that. Anyone else? If you were rewriting this, if this was your piece that you'd written and you put your name and your mom's name or whoever's name in it, what would you do on revision day?
I'd add more.
Add more. Okay. Add more what? Just lengthen it? Just make it longer? Or
Well, I'd make it longer first because it doesn't kind of short.
But add more.
But I mean, it doesn't really matter about size, but just the way she said it.
think about what form whatever you're trying to say works best in. So can anyone remember when we talked about different forms, like what's poetry really good at? Or what is prose really good at? What is a letter from one character to another really good at?
This up here, like all this figurative language is very, very nice. And I also like how you separated, like, oh, she's gentle like the wind, changing to sea. And then you say, oh, and she also has this other side. Good job.